Alright guys, I just want to go over something real quick. This is a 2012 Yukon XL with a 6.2 liter engine, and we're doing the infamous lifters on this truck. So I just want to show you where they're at and what a good one and a bad one looks like. So this truck comes with two different kind of lifters. Alright, so this is the lifter carrier right here. And then this one is two long lifters that are for active fuel management. And you can see those right there. The other two are stuck right here on the block. And those are shorter lifters. So let me take those out and show you what they look like. All you're gonna need to get those out is a magnet. And you can get these out of here. So these are the short hydraulic lifters. I already got all the new lifters soaking right here in hydraulic transmission fluid. So they're ready to install right now. So these are the short ones on cylinder 2. 4 and 6 have the long ones, and 8 have the short ones. Check it. These are the long lifters that stay in here in the carrier. All you got to do is pull these out through the bottom. And they only go in one way. If you look at this, here, let me take the other one out. If you look at this carrier, there's a little notch on the bottom right there. And that lifter has the same notch right there. So it's like a little guide. So this lifter got stuck. You can clearly see the difference. Here's the two lifters side by side. This one is collapsed. Now I know that there's ways to unstick them and then get rid of that active fuel management, but the way I'm doing is that I'm actually replacing all of them. So collapsed lifter and regular lifter. And these other short ones, these actually stay inside the block and you just get them out with a magnet. Now these also, I mean, they have a flat side on top and a flat side on the bottom. So that is actually gonna go inside of here. So you can't put them in wrong. There's no way, they won't go in a different way. So it's either like that and like that. So there's no way you can mix them up. And then these, the long ones, they have the little guide. So you'll just push it in through and it'll be like that. And then just install them back into the block. So that's all 16 lifters right there. Put the new ones back inside. All right, so now I'm gonna put the lifters back inside. So the two long ones are gonna go back into this carrier, and this carrier also only goes in one way. So that one is there. You can tell by this notch right here. And the other one will go on this side. Now remember, the short lifters will go into the block. Here's the short one. And you wanna make sure that the flat sides that are right here on the top and bottom are actually parallel with the block. So they have to go parallel with the block that way, so that when this carrier goes in there, the flat sides align with this, with the carrier, and this way they're properly installed. So right there it's not, I have to twist it a little bit. There's another short lifter. Goes in here. Turn it a little bit, and then the long ones I'm actually going to install onto the carrier. And no tranny fluid is not going to ruin the engine. It's just a little bit, it's just enough for the lifters too. ¿Estamos o no estamos? Alright, that's that. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I'm not gonna show you the complete lifter job, but if you do have that ticking noise, then it's gonna be one of these. This is your lifter, and they go in there. Now you just gotta figure out which one it is, and you can see by the spring on this one that this is the one that's making our noise. It's very common. I'm pretty sure you guys can find another video out there, but this is a little fucker that's gonna be giving you that noise. So that's it. After this, we just put on the heads, put on the intake, put on the exhaust and everything else, and it's a couple hours from now. But yeah, hydraulic lifter that's collapsed. There it is. I'll see you guys on the next video.